subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class we will try to solve these two gate bits which were asked in gate 2003 and this bit was asked in gate 2015. So coming to this bit, and these bits were belonging to minimization concepts, and the concepts of minimization has been clearly explained in our previous videos where we have covered nearly 35 to 40 videos where every concept of minimization has been clearly explained. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire playlist so that you can have better understanding of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this bit, the literal count of the Boolean expression is the sum of the number of sum of the number of time each literal appears in the expression. So each so the literal count of the given expression is the sum of the count of each occurrence of each literal expression, each literal in the expression. For example, a literal count of, so if this is the expression given, the literal count of this expression is, we have to count the occurrence of each. So occurrence, we have to count the number of times each literal appears. So the literal count of this expression is 4. What are the minimum possible literal counts of product of sums and sum of the product representation respectively of the function given by the following Karnaugh map? So given the Karnaugh map, if you find the minimization of product of sums with zeros and don't cares and sum of products with ones and don't cares, so after minimization, after getting the minimal solution, what is the count of number of literals in the product of sum minimization and sum of the product minimization? So that's what they are asking, and here x denotes don't cares. So we are going to take 4 variable k-map for product of sums once, and next we will take another 4 variable k-map for sum of products. So it is x, y, z, w. So now we will take zeros and don't cares. We will consider only zeros and don't cares, and if you take in this row, it is 0, don't care, 0, and this is don't care, 0, this is don't care, 0, 0, don't care. Now if you minimize it, so the minimum possible, so if we try to minimize it, what we have to do is we have to find the minimum number of subcubes, and we have to take the maximum possible subcube, maximum biggest possible subcube. So from this we are going to get this one as one subcube, and this one as one subcube to cover these two zeros, and if you want to cover this 0, so this can be done by this or also by this one. So we will take this one, anything can happen, and this is another subcube. Okay, now if we minimize it, if we minimize this, what we are going to get is, it is y, z, and if we minimize this, it is going to be zw, and if we minimize this, it is x, okay, this one xw, and if we minimize this, so we are going to get, minimizing this means x bar, z bar, w bar. So how many literals are there? 3 literals here, 3 literals here, 2 literals here, and 2 literals here, and 2 literals here. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Total the number of literals that we are going to get in product of sums is 9, and they are asking to find the sum of the products of the ones and the don't cares given in the K map, and we have to find the number of literals that are possible with the minimized sum of the products. Okay, this one is x y z w 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and taking the don't cares and ones. Don't care 1 1 1 don't care, and third one is 1 don't care, fourth one is don't cares. Okay, so now if you take the minimized form of this, so minimization of this K map, what we have to do, so this one is going to be, okay, so this may not be the possible because for this one we cannot do that. So this one is one of the possibility, and to cover this one it is the biggest possibility, and to cover this one is the possibility. So what is the minimization of these corners? It is going to be y bar, w bar, and for this it is going to be, okay, x bar, z bar, w, and for this to happen it is going to be x y, z bar. Okay, how many literals are there? It is 2 literals, 3 literals, and 3 literals. Sum is 3 plus 3 plus 2, so a total of 8 literals are possible. Okay, so a total of 8 literals are possible. So the solution is, for product of sums 9 literals, and the sum of the products it is going to have 8 literals. The answer is C. Now coming to this bit, the total number of prime implicants of a function. So given this function, the number of prime implicants possible. Prime implicants means the implicants which are not covered by any other implicants is called as prime implicants. So the discussion about prime implicants, essential prime implicants, redundant prime implicants has been clearly made. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so now this is going to be 1, this is going to be 1, and next to 4 this is going to be 1, 5 this is going to be 1, and 6 this is 1, 10 1 0 1 0 this is 1. So the number of implicants, the number of prime implicants possible, is this is 1 subcube to cover these 4 ones, and to cover this one the only possibility is this one, and to cover this one the only possibility that we have is this subcube. How many prime implicants are there? 3 prime implicants are there, this one, and this one. Okay, so the number of prime implicants for the given function is 3. Okay, so this is how we can solve these problems. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below.